I'm Robin McConnell, Armor President and Technical Director.
And I'm David Yancho, Vice President of Sales and Marketing.
Over 30 years ago, Armor was founded by John Holden. Many of our long-standing customers began the relationship with Armor through John, and throughout the years, he's been known as a colleague and friend.
John has remained in service to Armor as chairman, though he has been in semi-retirement for several years. In 2009, John stepped back from day-to-day company operations in order to devote more time to his wife Karen, to serve as a hospice volunteer, to ride his Harley, and to work with Karen as innkeepers in their newly opened bed and breakfast.
This past February, John was vacationing in Hawaii with Karen. While body surfing in the ocean, he was slammed into the shore by a strong wave. And the result was a serious spinal cord injury. Since February, John and Karen had devoted all their time and energy to John's intensive rehabilitation at the University of Michigan Hospital. And we are glad to report that John's been able to return home just this past May 4th. John will continue to recover and rehabilitate over the next months, but you can imagine this was a real pick-me-up for John to be able to return home after being away for nearly 4 months.
John continues to play an integral role in Armor's strategic planning and oversight. Armor would not be the successful, customer-focused, and corrosion solutions leader it is today without John's vision and fortitude. That same strength and determination is leading his recovery and healing process.
We look forward to continued growth for Armor, both in our product line and the refinement of our customer service practices. And we look to John's continued input and involvement to help guide that growth. Please keep him and Karen in your thoughts and prayers. His contact information follows, and I know he'd be glad to hear from you.
If you'd like to contact John, his email is jholden@armorbci.com.